Hello! Okay, hello sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good morning. At ngayon magagawa kami ng panibago naming challenge. At ang aming challenge ay tatawaging
Mexican food.
Mexican foods kasi tatry namin kainin, tatry nilang kainin ang mga candy at chichirya mula sa Mexico. So, hindi pa namin to natitikman at hindi namin alam kung anong mga lasa nito. Pero kalimitan ay may mga maaanghang, kagaya nitong lollipop na to. At saka ito ay maasim, I guess, kasi gawa siya sa tamarindo. At pagkatapos itong pineapple jelly o nila to, hindi ko rin alam. At saka ito maasim to kasi limon. Okay? At ito parang Yakult nila. Okay, so sa number 1 ay wafer. Siyempre, panigurado masarap yan. At ang number 2, ba't nagbe-blurry? At ang number 2 niya ay yung spicy lollipop. Sobrang anghang. At ang number 3 ay itong tamarindo. I guess ang tamarindo. Maasim panigurado to. At ang number 4 ay gawa naman sa pineapple. Hindi ko alam kung anong klase din candy yan. At syempre, itong number 5, gawa sa limon or lemon, I guess, na chichirya. At itong yogurt nila o Yakult sa number 6. So, bago ang lahat, magsabi muna kayo na...
Like and subscribe, please.
Anong name ng ating vlog? Ng
Ako
ating
sa
channel?
Tate.
Yes, please paki-like and share and subscribe. Ako sa Tate. Okay, ngayon magbabato-bato. Pick muna silang dalawa kung sinong mauuna. Okay, nanalo na naman si Ate Chanel at si Shena ang unang bubunod. So, anong prize natin pag nanalo?
$20.
Yes, napakalaki. $20 para matuto silang mag-save. At para pag umuwi sa Pilipinas ay meron silang pangpasalubong at panggastos-gastos doon sa 7-Eleven daw. Okay, Chanel, kunin mo na yung tambiolo at paki-assist si Shena kasi siya ang unang bubunod. Okay? Kung anong number. Kailangan kakainin, ha? Hindi mag-give up. Binuksan ko na nga pala lahat yan kasi...
4.
Okay, 4. Pakibalik yung number 4 ulit yan sa ating tambiolo. Okay, tabi muna yan. Huwag na masyadong isara. Okay, anong number 4? Oh, yung pineapple na yan. Okay? So, open mo sa kanya. Interesting. Okay. Kailangan uubusin, ha? Anong itsura ba niya? Oh, walang laman ng isa. How it tastes?
Spicy.
Spicy? Oh no, hindi ka kumakain ng spicy. So, give up ka na ba? Hindi na ba itutuloy ang challenge? Kasi kung hindi mo kaya, si Ate Chanel na ang automatic winner.
Sour and spicy. Sour and spicy.
Sour and spicy. Oh no, oh no. Kung hindi na kaya, sabihin, okay? Sobrang spicy ba?
Yeah, little bit.
Hindi siya mahilig sa mga spicy foods, pero no choice dahil sumali ka sa game natin for $20. Ah, ito yung kinakain niya. Oh. Yung pangalan? Ah? Anong pangalan nito? Enchilocas. Enchilocas. Ano, give up na ba? Give up. Bilisan mo kasi hindi pwede lagi na mahihintayin ka. Kailangan may oras
It's
din.
hard to choose. It's
Ah?
hard to chew. Maybe it's matigas.
Ano ba siya? Jelly siya? Parang may buto siya? May buto siya sa gitna? Sa loob? Wala? Oh, okay. Habang kinakain niya, si Ate Chanel muna, basta kailangan na uubusin. Okay, Ate Chanel? Bunot ka na kung anong number. Baka ma-choke ka, ha?
1.
Okay, pakibalik ang 1. So, easy ang 1. Ang number 1 ay madali lang dahil wafer. Okay, yan. Hiwain mo lang na ganyan. Okay, tabi lang yung basura dyan. Mamaya ko na lang kukuhanin. Okay. So, kailangan maubos din, ha? Kahit hindi naman totally maubos, at least na-try yung tikman, di ba?
Tastes like corn.
It tastes like corn. Yummy ba siya? Masarap siya? Sige.
It's like Philippine
Kahit-
snack.
Okay, tastes like...
sweet now.
Taste sweet now. Oh, sa outer layer lang yung spicy at sour. At the inside is sweet. Okay. Okay. Kalahati lang kainin mo siya, Nel. Later mo na lang ubusin after this vlog, okay? Sige, pakibilis nyo lang yung nguya kasi tayo ay patatagalan, di ba? Limited lang ang ating time. Okay, okay. At least na-try mo. Okay, yan. Enough na yan. O, tabi mo na dyan. Okay, later mo na lang ituloy. Okay, taste good? So, mapalad ka kasi yan ang nabunot mo. Shena, okay, bunot ka muna. Huwag mo na siyang takpan. It's okay.
Three.
So, number 3, oh mo, maasim naman siya. And spicy again. The tamarindo one. Do you think kaya mo yan? Okay, pakibukas mo nga sa kanya, Chanel.
Oh, you just
I-press. Ay, ipupush mo siya. Push. Ipupush. Oh, dahil may lalabas dyan sa dulo.
It's hard to push.
Yan, sige. Kaya mo yan. Dali.
Try there.
Yan. Yan, sige, likit. Okay, kagatin mo. Wala ka kasing ngipin sa harap eh.
Is it?
Anong taste niya? Anong taste?
I didn't taste the spicy.
Anong taste niya nga? Maasim? Or sweet?
Sweet.
Okay, tama na yan. Enough na yan. Mamaya na lang ituloy. Sige, kainin mo. Oh, okay. Later itutuloy ha. So, nag-give up ka na ba? Hindi pa?
It's sweet. It's sweet, not spicy and sour.
Oh, taste good? Okay. Ito yan. Para siyang spaghetti eh. Oh. Tamarindo. So, tamarind. Okay, Chanel, your turn. Bunot ka naman.
It gets stuck in the teeth.
It's okay. Tanggalin mo ng kamay mo na lang.
2.
Oh no, the spicy lollipop.
I love
Okay.
watermelon and spicy.
Okay, grab one. Buksan mo. Tignan ko nga siya na. Sa teeth mo nag-i-stack. Silver kasi yung mga teeth niya eh. No? Nag-stack. Mamaya alisin mo na lang yan. Toothbrush ka na lang after this.
But I finished the candy.
Hindi ba mabubuksan? Hawakan mo muna. Ipakita mo muna kay Shena. Si Shena muna ang i-video mo.
Okay.
Ganyan lang. Ha? Okay.
Say hi. Hi.
Tignan mo, parang...
It looks like I got braces. Yeah, it does look like you have braces.
Okay. Ipapakita natin ang itsura niya. Oh my goodness. Parang pusil siya.
It's a
Oh, kaya mo ba siya?
Yeah,
Ito
it looks
kasi
like a
siya,
pepper. It looks like a pepper.
Spicy and sour candy lollipop watermelon flavor. Okay.
It's like
Kahit
this
hindi mo na
pepper
yan
then
ubusin,
put-
di ba? How it tastes?
Tastes not like that spicy, but it's not hard.
Siyempre, lollipop siya eh. Sige, huwag mong kagatin. Sipsipin mo lang muna siya ng sipsipin. Siguro later siya.
I don't taste the watermelon. I just taste the spicy on it. Oh no.
Maybe the watermelon is later. It's inside.
I do not want to
Say,
taste
lick
that.
it! Lick it! Okay.
Tastes like the spicy powder here on
Oh. Maybe that's the pepper, the red
I
pepper.
want to
Okay.
try that.
It's not that spicy.
Okay, lick it. Patagalin mo siya ng konti sa bibig mo para ma-feel natin yung flavor niya at then kung ano ba talagang lasa niya, how it tastes.
I tasted the watermelon.
You tasted the watermelon now? Okay, continue licking it. Okay, pakilagay mo muna dito at later mo na nakainin. Para matikman natin lahat ang mga flavors na ito. Okay? Okay, Shana?
I think this is close. I think you did it now.
So, dapat pala. Oh, okay. Dapat, ano yung one? Balik mo nang ibalik yung one. So, dapat, walang inuman ng tubig. Yun pala ang mananalo dapat. Walang inuman ng tubig. Kahit maanghang o maasim at sobrang tamis, hindi mo na iinom.
Like this.
Okay.
Here you go, Shana.
Okay. Chanel, sahod mo, baby. Yan dyan. Yung tabihin mo yung plastic. Itabihin yung mga kalat. Okay? How it tastes? Anong lasa? Ano siya? Kagaya pa siya ng wafer sa Pilipinas? Yung sa Pilipinas na caramel wafer. Lapit ka dito, anak.
Actually, no, it tastes like vanilla.
Tastes like vanilla, yes.
It
Yun ang
tastes like-
flavor niya. Okay. Enough na yan. Mamaya na lang natin ituloy. At least, natitikman nyo ang pagkain ng mga taga-Mexico at kung anong lasa ba ang mga wafer nila at candy nila, di ba? Okay. Ikaw naman, Chanel.
I got 4!
Okay, 4. Okay, huwag na ibalik ang 4. Grab ka ng 1. Yan naman, ano ba yan? Anong pangalan nito?
Why are you mad? That's spicy, that's spicy.
Echilocas. Hindi ko alam kung paano to bigkasin eh.
And the last is
Echilocas pineapple flavored candy. Itabi mo yung mga kalat. Okay.
Sticky.
It's kind of hard. I can't chew.
Huwag mong kakagatin. Sip-sip-sipin mo lang siya.
And the later small.
It's spicy? According to Chanel, it's spicy.
It's not that spicy. It tastes like the same on the lollipop.
Yeah.
It tastes like lollipop, but it's sour also?
You
Little
need
bit.
to lick it and small, you need to eat it.
Oh,
It's a
really?
little bit salty.
Little bit salty?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Shanna, it's salty?
No. I
Oh, you
didn't
don't taste
feel
the
it.
salt. Okay, next, Shanna, habang inuubos ni Ate Chanel.
I didn't put the lollipop. It looks open.
3! Again!
Oh, 3. Again. Okay, ubusin na niya. Natikman na niya yan eh. Yun na lang, at least pag hindi na dapat natikman, wag na. Wag na, grab ka ng isa pa.
Okay.
Okay. Kasi natikman na niya yun eh.
Look very close.
6!
Oh, 6. Balik mo. Okay, balik mo yan.
Drink.
Okay, the Yakult of the Mexican. Okay, Chanel, paki-assist mo siya.
Shake it up.
Gusto nila yan. Ito oh. Sabor
Here.
cool. I don't know how to pronounce. Okay. Strawberry flavor
It
siya.
tastes strawberry.
Yes, it tastes like strawberry. Kasi
I
yun ang
taste the
flavor.
watermelon now. Watermelon or in pineapple.
The pineapple. Okay. Sticky siya, diba? Sticky.
Yeah.
So hard to chew.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How it tastes like?
It tastes like strawberry and it's cold.
Okay. Ano, lasa ba siyang Yakult? Okay. Later mo na ubusin. At least na-try mo na siyang tikman. Itabi mo, Chanel. At Okay. Chanel, it's your turn again. Habang inuubos mo pa rin yung nasa bibig mo. Okay. So far, anong favorite nyo pa lang dito?
My favorite is definitely the wafer.
The wafer. Even you, Shena?
Mm-hmm.
The wafer also.
5.
Okay, 5. The sour one, the chips.
It's sour though.
Okay. Grab some. Yan ang ating limon.
It's
Okay.
like fire.
Okay. How it tastes?
There's no sour on it.
But it tastes limon or lemon flavor. Let me try it.
Do you like the thing?
Yeah, it's a corn chips.
Oh.
Try it again.
Then why did it taste sour?
Yeah, not sour.
Yeah, one sour.
Tastes like, oh, a little bit sour.
It was sour.
A little bit, but it tastes good, huh?
Tastes good.
Tastes good. I love it. Later. Okay, next, Shena.
Really, I think 5.
Shena. Maubos ko na yata to. Ang sarap.
No.
I love
It
this
looks
one.
open. I think so.
It's like open. 5.
Oh, you're dreaming of it. Okay, try it.
Okay.
Harap. Harap, di ba?
The sauce is sour, but the chips is not.
There's no sauce. It's just a flavoring.
It's a powder.
Powder, yeah.
Yeah, give me that.
I finished the pineapple.
Very good. Okay, next, grab some.
Just choosing this one. 2 again?
No need na kasi na ano mo na yan. Pero balik mo dyan, gawa ni Shena.
Okay.
Okay, bunutin mo na yung isa. Kasi wag mo nang alugin. Automatic.
Should I go?
No, ikaw!
Is this the one?
Pag to yan, hindi mo na yung bubunutin yung isa na.
6.
Okay, try this. Inang inumin mo yung kay... Ito, kuha ka ng isa.
Okay.
Alisin mo na yung 6. Sige, sige.
I like the chips.
Sige. Tikman mo rin.
Tastes like strawberry and tastes like the exact same thing like as
Yakult?
Yeah.
Sarap.
It's much sweeter.
Which one is better? The Yakult or that one?
Yakult.
Yakult. Okay. Last one. Automatic, syempre. Tabi mo muna yan, baby. Baka matapon.
There's one more.
Here.
No! Ikaw na lang ang hindi mo natitikman. Isa na lang ang hindi mo natitikman. Which is... Yeah, the lollipop. That's it.
Oh,
The lollipop.
You don't have any choice. Pasip mo na lang siya dun sa isa mo.
no.
Here you go.
I was gonna take the lollipop first. Stay like this one.
Yeah, I know. It tastes like the same.
Oh, so far, alin dito ang mas masarap sa lahat ng ito?
I picked this one.
Yeah, I
Oh,
picked this one too. I like it. This was second.
Oh, the wafer's the
There was
second
second,
one.
and there was-
Okay. So that's
and
it
there
for today. Uubusin muna nila yung mga nakainan nila. And say
Please
bye.
subscribe to our channel.
Yeah. Anong pangalan ng channel?
Ako sa tate.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Try this. Napakasarap niya para sa akin. Try Mexican food. Try yung mga candy nila at wafer. Yun lang.
Bye.
Please subscribe.